Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your iPhone when lost using a couple of the methods that may help you trace back and find your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, obviously, I'm doing it on an iPhone, but these methods can be followed on a computer. Just to make it easy, I'm going to show it on the iPhone here. First thing you're going to do is, if you have another device, if you happen to have maybe a backup iPhone or maybe an iPad, there's a program called Find My that will help you locate your iPhone. So you can see your Find My here, and then from there on, again, this can be on iPad or even your a MacBook as well. This app will let you go into device, and this app will let you go into devices, and then you can click on it and it will allow you to locate that here. So if you click on one of the items, and then you can go ahead and play sound or get directions to that iPhone, assuming that it is online. Sometimes if it's dead, it might not show up the direction one, but at least you can see the option or where it was left off last, and you can see other details as well for it. If you need to go ahead and erase it or activate lost mode, you can also do that as well. Now, if you don't have another device that you have that you can sign in with your Apple ID or signed in, you can also go to a browser or any computer. It doesn't have to be a MacBook, and simply go over to iCloud, right? iCloud.com. Once you go into your iCloud.com, you're going to sign into your account using the same Apple ID that was logged into that iPhone. So you're going to click on sign in, and then it's going to ask you for your email and, of course, your Apple ID password. After that, here is just signing me in because it's already knows my Apple ID account on here. But on a computer, you would do the same thing. And here, you're going to same exact thing. You're going to click on the menu here. Basically, you're going to look for that Find My app that's also there. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and from there on, you can see your devices, and then you can go ahead and click on it, right? And it will take you to that location. Same exact process where you can see it, can play sound, get direction to that device that you have as another option. Now, let's say maybe you can't get into your iCloud account, or this method isn't working, it's not showing up. Another option you have to trace back your iPhone is if you have used Google Maps. So you'd sign into like your any browser to Google Maps, right? Or Google Maps, what you'll do is click on your profile. There's going to be an option where you have the ability to see your timeline. What is timeline? Basically, timeline will give you a history of locations that you have visited that your device has logged on, and basically it will track it, and then you can go back to those location and ask them if they have found a lost iPhone as a way to do it. And the same exact thing you can do on Google Maps, as from Google Maps to your regular maps as well. So the built-in Maps app, what you can do is instead of the timeline, you can click on it and see recent places that you've been to, and then it gives you an idea where you can go back and check that. And as well as checking this out, it should go help you. And the last thing you can do is go into your iPhone setting, or basically any iPad or another device that you are logged in with the same account. That you can do is go to privacy and security, and again, make sure it's the same account that's logged into the iPhone. And under that, what will happen is you can go into location services, system services, and significant location. Should be able to see some places where your phone was last logged into, or at least the recent locations that may help you track your lost iPhone. So that's how you can find your lost iPhone. I hope using these methods allow you to help find your lost iPhone. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.